Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we're back for another week of weather analysis. And we begin for today, Monday through Wednesday, August 16 to 18, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. We don't have any major weather system affecting the Philippine Islands except for some two surface troughs. The first one to the west of Luzon, moving away into the West Philippine Sea, but may still bring some afternoon or evening rain showers or thunderstorms, rain showers or thunderstorms across the areas of Western Luzon, including provinces like Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, areas of Ilocos region, western sections of Zambales, and also some portions of northern and central Luzon. So expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And over to the east of Visayas, east of the Bicol region, Eastern Mindanao, we have a approaching Surface Trough that is expected to bring cloudy conditions with rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. And outside of PAR, we are keeping an eye on tropical depressions, which is as of now has been downgraded into a tropical disturbance or LPA with winds of only 40 kph, as it is expected to approach Guam and the southern Marianas within the next 24 to 48 hours. So this system is forecast to re-intensify back into a tropical depression within the next 24 to 48 hours, and then later on, as it nears the Philippine area of responsibility, it may become a tropical storm. But based on the computer models, it is split on the decision on what will be the forecast development of this system. We're going to show it to you in a short while. And up here, across the Japan area and eastern China, we have a stationary front or medium front bringing some thunderstorms, rains across these areas of East Asia. And let's take a look now to the fast animation. There you go. We are having some difficulty in finding the location of tropical depression 16W, but I can clearly show it to you that the system is somewhere here. We will continue to observe the system for possible regeneration within the next 2 days. And here's the surface trough bringing some rains and thunderstorms across eastern Mindanao and eastern Visayas and portions of eastern Bicol region. Here's the zoom in satellite animation. This is the surface trough right now, and another surface trough moving away from Luzon. So far, that's the latest on the zoom-in satellite animation. The rest of the country will remain fair with some isolated rain showers in the afternoon or evening. Now here's the forecast track of Joint Typhoon Warning Center. As of now, it's a low pressure area, but it may regain tropical depression status on or after it crosses Marianas or to the northwest of Guam. And if its track won't change, it might become again a tropical storm on Wednesday afternoon, and it's expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility Thursday afternoon or Thursday evening with forecasted winds of 95 kph, already a severe tropical storm. And as it moves towards the North Philippine Sea, the system might intensify or be upgraded into a Category 1 typhoon as it moves in the general direction of extreme northern Luzon or Taiwan area. So the Batanes group is currently at 10%, 10 to less than 5 to 10% probability that it might pass over this area. So it's still very low. So we should see some changes in the coming days. Let's hope the track of the system will recurve towards the northwest or north-northwest. Okay, so far that's the latest track. Here's the Typhoon Global models. As you see, There are only two that forecast it to survive across the Philippine Sea. The first one is the American model, showing it as a tropical storm or minimal typhoon as it moves towards the Batanes, Babuing Islands on the 6th day, and that will be on Saturday or Sunday. And here comes the forecast from the Canadian model, which shows a curvature towards the Korean Peninsula. So it's still early to tell if this will push through, because there's no European model and there's no Japanese model as well as the United Kingdom model. So the European model remains just a low pressure area moving into the North Philippine Sea this coming weekend. And here's the rainfall accumulation from windy.com. As you can see here, some thunderstorms and rain showers will be expected across the Visayas, northern and portions of western Mindanao, as well as eastern Mindanao, due to the local convective, due to the surface trough that is expected to pass over the area, and some local thunderstorms across the Cordillera Autonomous Region and portions of Ilocos Region, and also over the areas of Eastern Bicol region, which includes Catanduanes, where the possible rain or thunderstorms will be expected in the next 3 days until Wednesday. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, it shows here that tomorrow, Tuesday, the tropical depression will just be a low pressure area, even a surface trough moving across the areas of Guam. And on Wednesday, it shows here that the LPA is approaching the Philippine area of responsibility. That's from the European model. So it shows nothing at a very high intensity. While the American model, it shows also here that it's a tropical depression moving into the Philippine area of responsibility late Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so it no longer shows a very strong cyclone moving towards the Batanes or Babuing Islands, but on Saturday or Sunday, it might regain tropical storm status as it moves across the northernmost part of the Philippine Islands. So it's still early to tell if this will push through, because the European model doesn't show any development of this tropical disturbance or LPA 16W, which has been downgraded from a tropical depression just a while ago. So there you go. That's the latest, and we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you a new update on tropical depression 16W. Let's hope and pray it will be gone, so that we enjoy our usual normal tropical weather across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.